In this episode of A Custom Made Home, we're going to take you guys to the project that we're starting right now in Toronto. It's a two-story home that we're going to be building in Toronto. This is going to be a project that we're going to show you guys step by step the process on how we're gonna build a two property in this lot. So we're going to sever this lot here, and our goal is to show you guys the process that we're gonna be doing, um, for you guys to see what it takes to build a custom made home in Toronto, and why um, it makes sense for you to buy a property like this, demolish it, and uh, flipped it, right? So this is what it looks like as of right now, day one. So we're going to be starting tomorrow, demolition tomorrow. But in this stage, this is what this lot looks like. So as you can see here, uh, we're walking right now with our master planner. Um, so he's in charge of the constructions. So he's taking us to the property, and this this is it, guys. This is what it looks like from the beginning phase. This is phase one, which we're showing you guys. We just cut the trees right now, um, starting to cut the trees, and as you can see here, we're walking right now to the property. So up to this fence here, it's one house, and going in this fence along here, this is where we're gonna build the second house. So this lot will be severed into two a property. So the zoning and everything is already done. Um, the permit is done. So this is we're showing you right now where the property line is, where it ends, and here's our guy here, a master planner, um, and he's in charge of the whole constructions. Um, so he's gonna take us to what this property looks like from the inside, so you guys can have an idea um, what type of property this is, in case that you guys want to build a custom made home, and why it would make sense for you to build a custom made home if you have a piece of land, of course, um, as opposed to buy a pre-constructions from the builders, right? So we're opening the fence right now, and we'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is the backyard. As you can see, they have a huge piece of lot. That's why it does make sense for this owner to actually build two homes, as opposed to be building a one large home with a big yard, right? So as you can see over here, this is a two-story home, um, and this is where the second house would look like here. Um, like where this tree line is, this would be the backyard of this house, right? So right now this house is um, inhabitable right now, because we're going to be demolishing it tomorrow. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. If you guys are have an intention of what of to get into building a custom made home, we're going to show you guys step by step the process on how we do it from the beginning phase to the constructions, to I'll show you guys what we do and how we set apart from the rest of the contractors out there that does a custom made home, right? um, yeah, so I'm excited to show to show you guys this a project that we're gonna be starting. We're gonna be starting it tomorrow, and stay tuned with us in the progress of how we're gonna be building this house. And I'm pretty sure that you guys going to be amazed what we're going to be doing in this project here.